What's going on, guys? I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel and the video. If you're getting some kind of value from this, or at least enjoying this transformation, do me a favor and drop a like on the video. It really helps me out with the algorithm. And if you want to take that next step and subscribe, I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 50K by this summer, so anything you guys can do to help would be really appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the transformation. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm actually going to put together a very detailed step-by-step tutorial on how I built this modern shed, and those are going to drop probably in the next couple weeks. So definitely subscribe if you want to be notified when those videos drop. But for now, just enjoy this 10,000 foot overview of the process. Thanks. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Leave a comment down below on your favorite part of the backyard and what looked to be the most satisfying of the projects, or which ones look to be the biggest pain in the butt, because a lot of them were. If you want to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I have a ton of content coming y'all's way. I really do appreciate the support in each and every one of you who gives these videos a watch. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.